Okay, I have this question come up a lot. How do I make an ad account in Facebook? You need to have a Facebook personal profile. You then, to run ads, you need to have a Facebook page, a business page, obviously for your business. And then you also have to have an ad account. Sometimes it's easy to find, sometimes it's not. You need all three of those things before you can connect to Super Simple Ads and either run them yourself or have us run them. So this is something we cannot do for you. It actually runs through your profile. So I am going to do a little video and help as much as I can. It's one of those things that's not really that hard, but it's never that easy because things change all the time. So inside of Facebook, well, this is actually not even inside. You need to go to business.facebook.com. Make this a little bigger. And then log in. So once you are in, it will look something like this. And I'm going to tell you, it may not look like this. I have had this issue many, many times. It always looks different for each person. I am an agency. I've been running tons of ads for other companies. I don't know if that's why this looks like it or not. You're going to get inside this business suite. And if you don't go to a page like this, it's going to ask you to create a business profile. If you don't already have one, just create your business profile. It's going to give you, ask the information. You're going to go through it. No big deal. Once you're in, you're going to get to a page that looks something like this. All you need to do is, if it doesn't look like this, usually somewhere is a page that looks, or that a link, if you see down here that says settings, it's going to have the gear. It's going to say settings, whatever. You're going to get that. If you click on that, I'm in one that I can't get in. I'll go to my actual one. It's going to give you all your ad accounts. And then down here under accounts, you're going to click add accounts. And from there, if you don't have one, click this blue button and you're going to add an ad account. So from here, you're going to obviously click create new ad account. If you have an existing one that you want to connect to, you can do it right here. If you have somebody else that you want to access with them, click this. Obviously, you're probably here to create an ad account. Click create new ad account. I'm not going to do one, but it's going to ask you what to name it. Name it your business or whatever. A couple things, and then you're going to connect a credit card to it. That's it. Once you have that created, then you can go back to the Super Simple Ads and finish connecting. And I'll show you that here in a second. Once you have everything created, you're going to go back to that link that you probably got from us that's going to connect it. You just click your connect Facebook account. You allow access to your page. You allow access to your ad account. And that's all there is to it. Once you're done there, you can also watch this. It should tell you about the same thing I just told you. So that should be all it takes. If you have issues, just let us know. We'll help you. Sometimes for some reason it's hard to get disconnected, but we need to have access to all of this before either you or we can run ads through the Super Simple Ads. So let us know how it goes and good luck.